Welcome back, student. In the previous video we have done or we have studied what we have studied. We have done AB2 molecule, we have done AB3, and we were doing AB2L. Okay, this one only we were doing beta AB2L. So AB2L in the molecule of AB2L that we have discussed little bit. In the AB2L, what I told you, see all of you, I told you over there that like this, there is one lone pair. Fine. Now again I told you that you can draw this one like this way also. Now you see all of you what is going to happening there. This is a bond pair. What is it? Bond pair. This is again bond pair, and this is a lone pair. Clear? Now whenever we are talking about the repulsions, as we have done in the postulate also, that lone pair repulsion is greater than that of lone pair, bond pair, and at the last bond pair. Clear, students? So now you see there is a repulsion of lone pair and bond pair. This is a repulsion of lone pair and bond pair, and this is also a repulsion of lone pair and bond pair, and this is a repulsion of bond pair. So which repulsion is greater, beta? Yes, this is a greater repulsion. Again I am telling you, this is lone pair bond pair repulsion, beta. This is again lone pair bond pair repulsion. तो यहाँ पर भी repulsion ज़्यादा है, यहाँ पर भी repulsion ज़्यादा है, and this is the bond pair repulsion. ये वाली repulsion कम है, ये वाली रिपल्शन क्या है? कम है. यहाँ पर ज्यादा है, यहाँ पर ज्यादा. इसका मतलब क्या होगा? तो सी ऑल ऑफ यू वेरी केयरफुली. तो इट मीन अब ये यहाँ पर विड्थ ज्यादा है. अगर दोनों तरफ से रिपल्शन ऊपर से ज्यादा है तो दिस वन विल बिकम लाइक दिस. ये वाली बीच का जो एंगल है, ये जगह है, क्या हो जाएगी? कम हो जाएगी ना. देखो इधर, यस और नो, इट्स लाइक दैट ओनली. मीन्स दिस एंगल, ये वाला जो एंगल है, दिस एंगल, दिस बॉन्ड एंगल विल डिक्रीज. क्या हो जाएगा? दिस बॉन्ड एंगल विल डिक्रीज. ये वाला सेंटर वाला एंगल क्या करेगा? डिक्रीज करेगा. और ये वाला जो ये वाले एंगल है, दिस एंगल विल इंक्रीज. दिस एंगल विल इंक्रीज. तो मीन्स यहां पर जो एंगल होगा सेंट्रल मेटल एटम का, दिस इज लेस देन 120 डिग्री. एग्जैक्ट एंगल वी विल डू लेटर ऑन, but it will be less than 120 degree. Are you getting my point, beta? Is that clear? And why this is happening? This is happening because of the presence of the lone pair of electron. Is that clear? So this was all about the AB2L. Clear? So now after that, after doing the AB3 successfully, now we are going to start with the AB4 type of molecule. What is it, beta? AB4 type of molecule. So whenever we are talking about the AB4 type of molecule, you just see it very carefully. For the AB4, what we are going to do, देखो इधर, see, usually for the AB4 structure is like that only. अब ये बात तो है ही नहीं कि आप मुझसे पूछो कि सर why this type of structure is there. Already I told you where the minimum repulsions are there, wherever the minimum repulsions are there only we are going to draw the structure. So this is the structure for the AB4, and the angle is angle is here 109.4 degree. What is the angle there, beta? 109 sorry, it's 5 degree angle is there, and its geometry name is tetrahedral. What is it? Tetrahedral. Tetra means 4, hedral means planes. Clear? तो its name is tetrahedral. अच्छा स्टूडेंट्स, एक बात और मेरी आप ध्यान में रखना, यूजली इसको हम कंसीडर कैसे करते हैं, होता कैसे है? जस्ट सी, यूजली हम क्या कहते हैं कि ये सपोज आई एम ड्रॉइंग हेयर 1V. ओके, 1V आई हैव ड्रॉन देयर. सेम वे one more V if I will draw. ठीक है, क्या कर रहा हूं मैं? one more V I am drawing over it. See, like this. Clear? And see, after that A is like that. Clear? Now usually what we are saying over there is very very important point. बेटा इसको ध्यान से रखना. This is called dashed. इसको बोलते हैं डैश लाइन. इसको बोलते हैं सॉलिड वेज. क्या बोलते हैं? सॉलिड वेज. बेटा दिस डैश्ड लाइन is indicating that bond is going away from you, is going away from you, and solid wedge is representing bond is towards you. Clear? This line, dotted line, dashed line is showing bond is going away from you, and this is showing solid wedge is showing bond is towards you. Is that clear? Are you getting my point, beta? What I am going to tell you over there. So this is solid dashed type structure also. Clear? So means in the tetrahedral. Okay, means in the tetrahedral one bond is towards you, one is away from you, and they are in the plane. Okay, these two are in the plane. Okay, so that is why its name is tetrahedral structure. What will be its name? Its name is tetrahedral structure. Okay students, so in the tetrahedral बेटा we can show in the cube also. आपके सामने आपको एक क्यूब दिख रहा है बेटा. मैंने कि ये आई हैव मेड वन क्यूब. अब आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा होगा. आई विल मेक इट अगेन फॉर यू सी प्लीज ऑल ऑफ यू वेरी 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 केयरफुली. देखना इधर ध्यान से. सपोज आई एम मेकिंग वन क्यूब ओवर देयर. सी इट वेरी केयरफुली. बाय दैट यू विल अंडरस्टैंड इट बेटर लिटिल बिट. ओके, दिख रहा है आपको मैं क्या कर रहा हूं यहां पर? यस, आई एम गोइंग टू मेक वन क्यूब ओवर देयर. See, this is the one of the cube I have made there. Okay, and suppose I have mentioned its corner over here. Okay, now I am going to draw for the tetrahedral. What I am going to do there, but ध्यान से देखना. Suppose I am making one diagonal. ये वाला डायगोनल बना दिया यहाँ पर मैंने. वन डायगोनल इज हियर. नाउ वन डायगोनल आई विल मेक ओपोजिट. अब ये जैसे मैंने ये बनाया है, ठीक है, लेकिन नेक्स्ट डायगोनल जो है आई विल मेक इट ओपोजिट. ओपोजिट कैसे बनाएगा? उसके ऊपर वाले के ओपोजिट. क्या करना है बेटा? जो मैंने ऊपर डायगोनल बनाया है उसके ओपोजिट डायगोनल बनाना है मैंने. क्या करना है? उसके ओपोजिट. ठीक है, तो देन व्हाट टू डू देयर. कैसे बनेगा हमारे पास ये वाला डायगोनल? ए इज लाइक दैट. यस, नाउ सी एट द सेंटर लेट इट बी. दिस इज ए. ओके, एट द सेंटर व्हाट इज इट? इट इज एन ए. नाउ यू सी one B is here, one B is here, one B is here. Sorry, a little bit. One B is here. You can see this is exactly a tetrahedral structure. As I told you earlier also, कि two V's are forming and one bond is going away from you and one is towards you. In actually it is like that. I hope you have understood all of you, and now might be you're knowing very well कि why it is called tetrahedral. Okay, now beta we can do some examples also for that. See, for example, we can write CH4, we can do CCl4, etc. So many examples are there. Suppose if I am going to make the structure of CH4, किसकी बात कर रहा हूं मैं? CH4 की. तो एंगल विल बी 109.5 डिग्री. Is that clear? Similar way, we can draw the structure for CCl4. What we can draw? We can draw the structure for the CCl4 also. Clear? Now, student, ये तो हमारे पास ज्योमेट्री है. क्या है? It is a geometry which is known as tetrahedral, where no lone pair is there. But now we have to see the possibilities of lone pair into that. Beta, see, so when we are doing like that, so there is possibility AB3L. Okay, there is a possibility AB2L2. Clear? Two type of possibilities are there. Means one is AB3L, second one is here AB2L2. Second one is AB2L2. Means in the first structure we are having 3 bond pair and 1 lone pair. In the next one, 2 bond pair and 2 lone pair. Okay? Yeah, student, I will share definitely one trick also with you people, that how to remember these structure. But that trick I will show you, or I will share with you after the hybridization. Okay? See, now, first of all, I am going to do AB3L. As you know very well, in the AB3L, what to do there बेटा? In the AB3L, अब ध्यान से देखना, मैंने क्या लगा दिया यहाँ पर A, this is B, ये AB3 था मेरे पास, ठीक है, सॉरी AB4 था मेरे पास ऐसे. लेकिन मेरे पास अब क्या है बेटा? AB3L है, तो एट द प्लेस ऑफ B, एट द प्लेस ऑफ B, what to do there? Yeah, I have to draw 1 lone pair. Is that right? What I am drawing? I am drawing 1 lone pair. Now you tell me what I told you previously. See, this is a lone pair. What is it? This is a lone pair. And what I told you previously? I told you one thing, that usually in the shape, you are not going to consider the lone pairs. क्या नहीं करोगे आप कंसीडर? यस, वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू कंसीडर द लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. इस लोन पेयर को फिर हम इसकी शेप में कंसीडर नहीं करेंगे. क्या नहीं करेंगे बेटा? यस, इसको हम इसमें कंसीडर नहीं करेंगे. तो ये क्या बन जाएगा? यू सी, ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज सी इट वेरी केयरफुली. ये क्या लगता है आपको? क्या बन गया? प्लीज डोंट सी लोन पेयर, डोंट सी लोन पेयर. अगर आप लोन पेयर नहीं देखते हो, देखो इधर ध्यान से, तो इट लुक्स लाइक अ पिरामिडल स्ट्रक्चर. व्हाट इज नोन एज, या इट लुक्स लाइक अ पिरामिडल शेप. ठीक है बेटा, क्या बोलते हैं इसको? पिरामिडल शेप. अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू, इट्स ज्योमेट्री विल रिमेन सेम. दैट इज अ टेट्राहेड्रल ज्योमेट्री, और यू कैन राइट डिस्टॉर्टेड tetrahedral. What you can write? Distorted tetrahedral, and it looks like a pyramid. That is why its shape is pyramidal shape. What we can call it? We can call it pyramidal shape. Is that clear to you two all? Okay. And students, yeah, one thing more is there. ये pyramidal shape है आपके पास, and this is called डिस्टॉर्टेड टेट्राहेड्रल. क्या है? ज्योमेट्री. एग्जाम्पल देखो बेटा इसमें. एग्जाम्पल वी कैन टेक ऑफ अमोनिया. व्हाट वी कैन टेक द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ अमोनिया. इन केस ऑफ अमोनिया, यू कैन सी, ऑल ऑफ यू सी, समझ आया कुछ? अमोनिया, 1 लोन पेयर इज देयर ऑन द बेटा NH3. नाइट्रोजन के पास कितने होते हैं? टोटल 5. कितने होते हैं? 5 होते हैं ना. 1 is used here, 1 is used here, 1 is used here. 2 will remain as an lone pair. Clear? So ammonia is having a pyramidal structure. What is it? Yeah, pyramidal shape. But remember one thing is geometry is tetrahedral. Clear? Okay. So student, after the AB3L, now I am going to discuss with you AB2L2. क्या थी हमारे पास? नाउ नेक्स्ट वन क्या थी हमारे पास? या AB2L2. तो whenever we are talking about the AB2L2, इसमें क्या करना है? अब First of all, draw the AB4. This is your AB4. Now I am going to draw AB2L2. क्या करेंगे इसमें फिर? Now we are having here 2 lone pairs. कितने lone pairs हैं बेटा? 2 lone pairs. तो what to do there? 1 lone pair बेटा. 1 more lone pair. See what is left. Yes or no? This is left there. 2 lone pair and this is left there. Again, geometry will remain same. Its geometry will be, yeah, you can say simple tetrahedral or you can write distorted tetrahedral. And its shape, beta ji, shape is known as V shape or bent shape or angular shape. But don't be confused with the shape of AB2L beta. There was a 1 lone pair. ठीक है, वो एक लोन पेयर के लिए वो भी शेप बेंट थी, ये भी शेप क्या है, बेंट है, एंगुलर है, लेकिन फर्क है. हेयर इज 2 लोन पेयर इज हेयर, प्रीवियसली देयर वाज ओनली 1 लोन पेयर इज हेयर. ओके, तो स्टूडेंट एग्जांपल देखो इसकी बच्चे. एग्जांपल है इसकी वाटर. ओके, इन केस ऑफ वाटर व्हाट टू डू देयर, यू सी H2O, oxygen is making 1 bond with the hydrogen, 1 bond with the more hydrogen. So it means 2 lone pair will be remain over there. You see, all of you, what to do there? See, like this, clear? And see, and this is again V shape or angular shape or its bent shape. Clear? समझ आ गई मेरी बात? But its geometry will remain same. Okay, student, when you seeing this video, please write in a comment. When you seeing this video, please write in a comment कि have you understood or not. Okay, and don't forget to like it. Thank you very much. Now we will do next structure in the next videos. Thank you.